I come from power industry. Lanco Group is a power generation company. And therefore, I will not like to repeat the things what we have been hearing since morning. What I would like to share with you is my own experience of the critical infrastructure that I have seen not only in my group, but wherever I have visited as a knowledge sharing event. Couple of things, important things that I would like to particularly bring in the notice of Mr. Bharatan since he is heading NCIIP. If you see the critical infrastructure, SCADA systems, ICS, etc., in most of the organizations, I don't think there would be any exception, but still I use the word most. In most of the organizations, this is not part of the IT roles and responsibility. This is the kingdom of the control and instrumentation guys, and who feel that they are completely trusted. They are into a completely airtight department. There's hardly any communication of compliance or security which is, done through IT department. Now, as a result, what happens that there is a misconception in the top management that the SCADA systems or ICS systems or those critical infrastructure, they are completely secure. Because the concept or the issues which are brought out is that it is trusted, it is completely isolated from the network. But if you actually peep into such systems, what you would find that earlier the system were developed to be working in isolated environment, but as the advancement of technology went on, the people wanted to get information as quickly as possible. So how much is the power generation at this point of time? What is the fuel level at this point of time? What is the coal heat rate at this point of time? What is the PLF at this point of time? All these informations are being imported onto the local area network of the company, and they are fed in form of the dashboard to the top management. And still people claim that this particular rectangle is isolated from network. No, they are not. If anybody says, I would like to visit that organization and I would like to prove it otherwise. Now the moment such organizations are, or such SCADA systems are connected directly or indirectly into the local area network, all the vulnerabilities which are there, which we never thought of having in a trusted environment, are exposed. Take example, many of your SCADA systems must be working on Microsoft XP. Now you can't patch those systems. The OEM has given this particular system to work in an isolated environment. But actually they are not isolated, so you are vulnerable. Now you can't afford to patch them as and when, even if XP supports patching, now it has stopped. Even if it supports patching, you can't afford, because if the patching is, if the rollout in production is not perfect, you are going to have a shutdown of your system. Can you afford it? I can bet nobody does the patching, even if it is not XP, even if it is the latest Windows environment, nobody dares to do patching of such trusted system. Then aren't we exposing ourselves? So what do? Our top management, in most of the organizations, let me tell you, they feel that their SCADA systems is completely isolated. In most of the organizations, IT people feel that SCADA is not their part of job, so they are not peeping into. The IT security CISOs are not peeping into. They are not able to bring out the issue that no, you are still to be audited. Now what happens is that the government has issued, now he has already explained the IT acts and legality, etc. Government has said that why you will give quarterly audit report, that you are carrying out the following audits in your critical systems. Let me tell you bluntly that it is just being signed and sent to you. Right? There is no enforcement of the external or regulatory or government authorized auditors to come and see whether those SCADA systems are really isolated as claimed, or if not, then the perimeters have been made secure or the systems have been made secure. The second issue that I want to bring out is Now the SCADA systems are not being targeted using the APTs or the Trojans or the kind of structures that we are talking about. It's going much beyond that. Your PLCs which are connected with the field sensors, those PLCs can be bugged at the manufacturing level only. And by using the text message from your mobile device, you can activate those PLCs. Imagine if that happens. So somebody just, I think Rakesh or somebody mentioned that we don't need to see it at the component level or at the network level or other level. We have to see the data exchange at the bus level. And until unless we think from that point of view, that sandbox the entire thing, even if indirectly or directly your SCADA systems are connected with the external world, it has to identify the ingress and outgress point, and there you have to sandbox it, put another chip. Whatever goes in or whatever comes out remains encrypted. All the behaviors, be it the behavior of the people working on that, or be it the behavior of the transactions which are happening on the network, are analyzed for its intelligence, are correlated, and different patterns are brought out. And based on that, you respond and you prevent. Right now, all our activities are restricted only up to reaction level. Okay, we have detected and now we are reacting. But we are not still, at this point of time, we are still not there to respond as well as prevent. This will happen only if we are proactive, only if we have got the kind of situational awareness available with us, and it will not happen with carrots. Carrots and sticks both has to work. The governance has to be very, very clear. You have seen the change. When Company Act has been changed, suddenly there is too much of clutter in most of the corporate organizations has to understand what the compliance is. Didn't they need it 1 year back or 2 years back? But now that Danda is coming, everybody is working on that. So this is the time that government has to prepare and ensure that all these organizations who are in the shell of understanding that everything is fine, then they are required to be seen from external world and required to be brought to book if they are not found, because it is not their company. It is the safety of the country, it is the safety of the nation, it is the safety of the citizens. We need the utilities. Thank you very much.